Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to unarchive Trello cards, an essential skill to help you manage your workflow better. Let's start by opening Trello and navigating to the board containing the card you want to unarchive. To do this, you'll need to click on the Boards button on the top left of your homepage. The reason we do this is to ensure we're working within the correct context, as actions in Trello are board-specific. Next up, once you're on your selected board, click on Show Menu on the top right-hand side, and then select More. This helps us because it opens up a plethora of options, one of which includes the archived items. Click on this to proceed. Now, you're going to see a list of all the cards you've archived on this particular board. Look for the card you want to unarchive. Once you've found it, click on it. This action is crucial because it allows you to interact with the archived card directly. After you've opened the card, you'll see a button that says Send to Board. Click it. This action will unarchive the card, sending it back to your board. It's important because it's the main step that executes what we're aiming to do, unarchiving a Trello card. Now that we've done that, let me explain why this matters. When you unarchive a card, it becomes accessible and editable again, helping you to revisit and revise past work. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Trello essentially reactivates the card, placing it back onto your board in its original list position. To wrap up this tutorial, remember that archiving and unarchiving cards in Trello is a valuable way to manage your tasks and projects. It helps you keep your board clean and organized, while still giving you access to older or completed tasks whenever you need to review them. And that's how you unarchive a Trello card. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, stay organized and keep Trelloing.